Let's discuss about the TCL command. Whenever you go for an interview, basically they want to understand whether you know about the TCL command or not. What is TCL command and what commands are coming under the TCL? So we have commit is there, rollback is there, then save point is there. So these commands are there which are the part of your TCL. Commit we already know, like whenever you fire any DML command like insert, update and delete, if you want that update needs to be permanent, we need to use a commit that we already got to know. Okay, now what about rollback? Okay, let me tell you one small example. Let's say you have one table is there, and in that table you have thousands of records are there, and then you deleted some record. You got an opportunity to delete some record, you deleted that, and then your manager is coming back and he's saying that boss, you made some mistake, you should not delete this record. Now how to roll back this record, how to get back this record? That is possible with the help of rollback command. Let's say you fire the delete statement, you deleted 1000 record, and immediately if you fire a rollback command, you can get back those deleted record. So after insert, update and delete statement, if you immediately do rollback, you can get back your previous state of your table. Make sure that you have not done any commit, because once you do the commit, the rollback cannot be done. Once you do the commit, rollback cannot be done. So commit means permanent change, rollback means you can get back your previous data. Let me take one example. So we have an employee table where we have a different types of like genders we can see here. Now what I want to delete male records. I'm deleting the male records. Delete from table name where gender equals to male. So I'm deleting all the records where the gender is male. I'm deleting that. Before that, let me check the count. Select count star from EMP. I'm checking the count, and after deleting, I'm checking the another count. After deleting, how many records are there, that also I'm checking. Let me do that. Okay, so let's try to run it. Let me try to run it one by one. Select 769 records were there previously. Then I'm deleting this record. 0 rows deleted. It means already 104 rows were deleted. And now we have 769 because all the 3 queries got executed in the first attempt itself. Okay, now we have 769. Okay, let me do rollback because I have not done the commit, so I'm just doing rollback, saying like, okay, I made some mistake. Okay, I made some mistake by deleting this record. I'm doing rollback. When I'm doing the rollback, see, something is happening in the background, and I'm getting a message called rollback completed. Let me check the count now. Previously the count was 769, right? Let me check the count now. I can see the count is 873. So the count got increased. Previously the count was different because I have done the rollback now. Rollback means the records which I deleted, I got it back. But before rollback, if I done the commit by any chance, after delete and before rollback, if I done the commit here, the rollback will not happen. Rollback is not possible. It's not possible. So that's the one thing we need to understand. Okay, so this is all about the rollback, guys. I hope this is clear. Thank you.